Welcome to the weekend. I'm meteorologist Ashley Ruiz with a look at your forecast. After a pretty soggy week, we had record high temperatures last Sunday, and then we had a mix of sun and clouds and cooler temperatures, and then the rain returned. And it really made a comeback, especially on Friday when we had over an inch of rain and counting over the Puget Sound region. Bellingham, Olympia, not as much, but I wanted to show you where we are in terms of where we should be so far this month. We are above normal for our rain totals, and this is not including Friday's rain. Our yearly deficit, however, still on the poor side, but we're getting there. That's why we have drought conditions still over the area, but baby steps. And over the next 7 days, we're going to get more beneficial rain, but you see very high totals over the mountains and the coast, which, yes, that's typical, but this is the measurement of liquid water. So this does not tell us how much snow will fall in the mountains, but with our snow levels so high all the way through the weekend, a lot of it is going to fall as rain, except the higher mountain peaks. But into next week, our snow levels come down to pass level, and that's when we could start to see accumulating snow. However, a lot of the moisture may be out of here by then, so likely not going to see much in the way of beneficial snowpack at the lower levels, but we're still going to get some. It's just not going to be anything extreme. That's not what we're thinking as of right now. So the weekend, we're dodging showers, likely going to have some sun breaks in the mix, but taking your attention to next week, temperatures are going to be cooler in the 40s and 50s, as well as some pretty chilly mornings as well, with rain around at times. So for your Saturday, again, we'll have showers, we'll have sun breaks, temperatures in the 50s, low and mid 50s, definitely warmer than where we were on Friday in the 40s and 50s. But here's a look at the futurecast, showing you how the rain from Friday is going to taper off to showers into Saturday, but still not completely dry. It's just our rain coverage is not going to be as widespread. Same into our Sunday, so you see not completely dry, but the best chance for rain and accumulating rain and more steady rain will be closer to the coast, but then we'll have rain around at times. Monday into Tuesday, you see how it kind of tapers off a little bit, still a little bit of moisture in place. Now, by the middle half of next week, so Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday, still some uncertainties of whether or not we're going to be wet or dry. It's all dependent on what happens with the system that's going to be looming offshore Wednesday and Thursday. If it moves more to the south, then we're going to be on the drier side of things, but if it moves closer to the PNW, then we'll have a wetter forecast.